Hi, my name is MYLES, Chair of Christian Ethics here at Logsdon Seminary. The T.B. Maston Lectures in Christian Ethics have been going on at Hardin-Simmons for the last 16 years and provide an annual opportunity for Hardin-Simmons and the surrounding community to come together to reflect together on issues in Christian ethics.
Christian ethics here at Logsdon is super important because it lays the foundation for everything that you do in your congregation, and it helps you realize what's going on in the world.
Christian ethics are important because they really lay down the foundation of everything we do as a church, and it really affects our behavior, how we act towards people, how we love people, just as Christ loved us.
Our lecturers in past years have invited us to think deeply and carefully about such issues as urban development, racism, sexism, and immigration.